Meron ako ditong secret box. Ang tawag dito is the Clumsy Santa. Gawa siya sa Japan, and this is created by Karakuri Creations Group. Ang objective ng puzzle box na to or secret box na to is to find the secret compartment to. Upon closer inspection, no, mapapansin nyo na parang ito, it's a chimney. Tapos itong stock na legs na to, si Santa to, na naka-upside down, di ba? Ang kakaiba kasi sa puzzle na to, wala siyang moving part except for this one, which I would assume is the secret compartment. Solution dito is sa side na to, kung saan meron siyang parang seam or parang may hati siya dito sa kabilaan yan, puntahan mo yung pinaka-ilalim na brick na middle, yan, tapos sa kabila rin, and then push it, yan, kabilaan. Tanggal mo na tong sides na to, na-release na yung magnet, and it would allow you to open the secret compartment. Then, sa loob ng secret compartment, meron kang Santa na artwork in a block of wood.